Good morning. It's December 12th, 2011. World markets are down on shaky news out of Europe regarding their debt crisis. We're having a little problem this morning with setting fibs. There's no distinct place to set them, it seems to me. So we're experimenting with that. We're looking for a good setup after the market opens in a minute or two. We'll take a pause. Okay, we've closed below a major fib. Could have a reversal here. Judging by the indicators, so we'd want to see a pullback before we tried to get into this. We'll take a pause. Okay, we're back. We've reached the 100 extension. Still have no secure feeling about placing along here. Probably be a good place, but no secure feeling. Got a triple bottom now. Separation under 440. This is where the drama begins. Okay, we've got a nice sideways action, which is common after a long trend, like we saw this morning. Let's take a pause till we get a setup. Okay, we're getting a formation of sorts on 440. Makes a long more appealing right now. And we pop down to a lower level. Here comes that foot formation though. It's kind of elongated, but nevertheless it's there. Got separation on 144, 233. Still coming up on that 440. Bollinger Bands are narrow. Had a nice 2-bar reversal here. Another short opportunity probably. problem with our 987 indicator. See if we can reload that baby. Okay, get some upward movement. Our 987 still will not work, so I'm going to kill it for right now. It's just giving us that information. Could have a mid-band push coming up here. Getting the same problem with 610. Looks like it's been. What's going on? I'm going to take a setup while we reestablish those. Okay, all our charts are back. That feels a lot better. Got a nice from underneath on 987 forming. Oops, got these. Okay, we had a real nice from underneath on 610, but really didn't see that much price movement up. But we're coming from underneath now on 987, so that's pretty tempting. Come up to this little double top. Had a nice pullback opportunity down here. Coming from underneath on 987. No mid-band push opportunity. Let's take a pause till we see a setup. We could have a foot forming on 440. We'll watch for that. Guess not. $987 looks like it could curl around and go down. Big charts are still on their way down. getting separation underneath on 1597, but 4181 is persistent down on the rail. 10K is coming to resistance and a lower Bollinger, so could have a bounce there. We're down at one of the low pivots. Close blow, so we really need to reset our fibs. I'm going to take a pause. Okay, we're continuing to proceed down to the deeps at our 89 fib. Had a deep V change up on 233, and looks like we've got a 440 penguin, so but 610 shows separation. Separation underneath 1597. Look at that 4181 though, it's very persistent. We'll take a pause. Okay, we've got a declining wedge. I'm just not sure what that means. We would look for a breakout and I think a pullback after that before we got into trade. Oh brother. Okay, we got a little breakout to the upside. Okay, that bulge underneath 1597 looks like it may be showing some promise. That 4181 has finally come on the line. We have separation above 440 and 610. Gives one pause. Not on the rail. We are on the rail with 233. Actually, we've got separation there too, so just do not have any confidence in placing along at this time. So we'll sit tight and wait for a signal. Okay, I placed a short. Got a strong V down on 233, came to the rail. 440 looks like it was curving around 610 especially. And we got stopped out going the wrong way. Okay. Let's take another look and pause. Okay, we're in for another short. It's just got a lot of downward pressure now. Okay, that's 2 GIFs.
Stop filled.
All right, we're getting caught in this chop. We'll take a moment, pause, look for a setup. Okay, we're trying a short again. Just see tremendous down pressure. And let's set up our target. Okay, we've got a major pivot here at 21.2. So we've got 100 fib, that's, 100 extension, that could be a good target. Okay, we made a third gift. Can't seem to get in on the trend at the right time. I think we're going to look at one more trade maybe. See where we are here. 440 shows a lot of sideways action now. We'll take a pause. Okay, I didn't do too well today. Got stopped out 4 times, gave gifts. And this is one of those days that you're not having success. As soon as I left my plan, actually I started trading on less than adequate setups for my plan, so I did leave my plan. I probably would have had no trades today if I had stuck with my plan. So that should be a lesson learned, and we'll see you tomorrow.